Well, I'm very much looking forward to the ICS 2026, which takes place in Maastricht, and we'll be developing an already traditional workshop on sacral neuromodulation, which has become a key element in the treatment of patients with complex urinary tract dysfunctions. And along with a well-known expert team, we'll develop some lectures not only about the ideal lead placement and the patient selection, which is also key to determine the best results for these patients, but also with a focus on the hands-on. So we'll have the dummies, which allows the attendants to literally learn how to proceed with the implants with the fanciest materials and with the guidance of a panel of experts with a large experience of sacral neuromodulation. So I'm very humbled and happy and honored to take part in this initiative. This will be the third or the fourth time that I'll have the chance to take part in such an initiative. And in all the previous editions of this workshop, the outcome and the comments, the assessment by the attendants was really something amazing. They told us that they had the chance to change their clinical practice and to establish another treatment which was fundamental to increase the quality of life of their patients. The ICS meeting for me is quite special. I still remember when I finished my residency, I had the chance to present for the first time in an international event at ICS 2012 in Beijing. So the ICS is always remembered as something very, very special, in which the early career members receive the chances to interact with well-known key opinion leaders from different countries, learn more about them, and have their first chances in the academic world in these congresses. I'm Marcio Averbeck. I'm a urologist and I dedicate myself to functional urology and neurourology over the last 15 years. I'm working in Porto Alegre, which is the main city of southern region of Brazil. So that I'm very much enthusiastic about the idea of sharing this knowledge with you in Maastricht, and I cannot wait to see all the ICS members there.